Yeah. Leave me out of comments, leave me out of nonsense. Speaking out of context, people need some content. Niggas trying to keep up, shit is not a contest. Whipping bands concept, heaven sent, God sent. At least that's what my mom says. Proof is in the progress, money's not an object. Busy than a motherfucker, you know how my job get. Barking up the wrong tree, you know how the dog get.
Right for YouTube, it's your girl. What's going on, guys? What's going on? Anyways, so I made a video and I already knew from the clips, I didn't even have to edit it, that I was not gonna like the video, and that video was supposed to be like a maintenance vlog because I've been looking dusty since March. I booked a lash appointment. I've been pre-ing this girl page and I was like, I'm gonna go to her. Went to her. I didn't really care for my lashes. Like, I felt like my lashes could have been way better because I seen her work and I was like, oh my god, my eyes is watering right now. I didn't vlog because I really wasn't giving vlog. Like, I'm not even gonna lie, y'all. I don't really care for the inner corner. I drove all the way to the Bronx. I have an event on Sunday. Today I have 3 appointments, I think. I gotta do my nails, I gotta do my toes. I already did my eyebrows. And I'm gonna eat and I'm gonna do my toes. And I'm gonna come back to y'all.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high. Hands up high, hands up high. Tell them turn the lights down right now. Put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room, purple. Go.
These is my toes, y'all. My feet is so fat. But these are the toes. I'm gonna give me a better picture or something like that when I get in the car.
With poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy. Is blood in my pen.
Good morning, guys. So it is 6:54. Lash appointment is at 9 o'clock, but taking no toll, as I told y'all. I'm letting my car warm up now. I'm about to get gas because I'm low on gas. Here and the sky is looking way better. Say I'd even come back and straighten out my lashes, but sorry. I know y'all see my face when I was laying down. I was like, you know when you get something done, it gotta grow on you. I kept looking at my lashes and I was like, damn, like my lashes is actually cute. Like I would dare go back to don't look in this car. That's very disrespectful. That's why I don't look in people's car either. Yeah, I love my lashes. I'm about to go pick up my friend because I gotta do her nails. I need to get ear. That's something to do today. And my left tire keeps going, like, I don't know. I still have to do nails and I have to do my hair. And then I'm basically done.
Hey. Truck to the plane, to the truck to the hotel lobby. Me, I go through underground garages, presidential suite on deposit, elevator up to the room, shower up and then we hit the club. Touchdown, gotta see what's up. Area code in my phone. What numbers do I still have? Who do I know from the past?
I just finished. I did my nails. It's really not going with this aesthetic. But I seen blue and I was like, I'm gonna do blue. So I'm about to get dressed and I'm gonna pack my bag. Actually, I'm about to go eat something because I'm hungry. And I'm gonna get dressed and I'm gonna show you my outfit and then I'm gonna head out. I put this dress over, but I'm just gonna walk around looking like, I already know people just looking at me. Like, I literally hate that. I'm going to Sands with my friend.
Robinson, east toward Eastern Walmart.
I'm about to get gas. And then we're gonna make our way. We look at right now. Bye.
No, that's about it.
Why pretty guys? So today I have to go to the bank. I put some money on my card and then I'm on my way to get a wash because my car does need a wash. I wasn't really washing my car. Like I would have somebody else wash my car. Like go and wash my car. So I'm about to go wash my baby because the inside is dirty, outside full of pollen, full of dust. So we're about to clean Miss Mama's. I'm gonna order some like accessories for it, but like not too much. But I do not like how I look in the other clips. Oh my god, this thing is staring in my face. I hate when people do that. Like, I don't have nothing for to see my face looking. I only paid $55. They better make my shit short. Yeah, I washed the car. Car is clean. Money is on my account. It's gonna look nice. Me and my man about to get something to eat. Got some good drinks, but I'm not gonna drink because I'm driving. This is the appetizer stuff. This time always gonna be like me. I give it like a 7.5. Full was a 7.5. This one I'm wearing today. Okay. Top is from Shein. Fashion Nova. By MCM.
Yum.
Wow.
Yum, yum.
Where I go? It's like a fragrance. So you didn't want to eat it when I gave it to you? Or it's tasty and great. Damn! It's cool. It's like I was going to Primark. I tried to pay to leave the park. This is why I don't like parking. Holding up the line. And I know I have money on my card. Let me see if I can take a thumbnail. Be in the mall with it. Yeah, so I want to phone my man, right? I hear the doorbell ring because he kept telling me, wait. So I'm going to go pay. But I'm thinking he just telling me to wait. So I hear my doorbell ring. So I thought it was my wig, but I already got my wig. With some chocolate. Just because I love that sound. Thank you, baby. Shout out to my man. Because I wasn't even expecting that. I'm about to go speed over to him right now. Okay, what's my boomerang? Alright, y'all. So, I just put on this top from Shein. I didn't even show y'all the sets that I got from Primark. I think I did. I don't really know. But they feel really good. It's just, it wasn't really given with this hair. I don't really know. This is the old wig that I just put on and I cut. Because it was like 22 or 24 inches. What am I doing with baby inches and worse is curly hair? One thing about me, I'm going to cut my hair. I'm going to cut it. Because I just hate awkward lengths. Like, it's either 30 inches or a bob. And I don't even like bobs. So. But I just put on this top from Shein. I love this top so much. And then these shorts. I was not expecting these, so I was like, oh, that's really my man. Like, my baby just, because I've been really stressed, like, really stressed lately. Bitch, I got pills, okay? And that, I was tearing up. Like, I wish she would have told me to grab my camera to go downstairs. Because he telling me, oh, he just got a package. I'm like, okay, maybe he just ordered a package over here. Boom. Mommy.
Morning. So today is Saturday. Last time I did not get to go to nowhere park because I had to stay in because of the situation, which was fine because I didn't want to go anyways. But I'm filming off of my phone because I left my camera downstairs in the car to get it last night. But I was too lazy. So I did my hair. I did a TikTok because this is a sponsored wig. And I know you're probably like, why would you do your hair and go into a wig? Probably because I'm a fiend. And I'm going to have this headband on, alright? So I don't even think I showed y'all the Primark sets. I only got 2 because everybody done ran to Primark and bought all of the stuff. I got extra small because I wanted my stuff really tight. Well, not too tight, but like, you know. And then these are the bottoms. And these fit really good, like really good. Honestly, I could have got like a small, but because my weight be literally up and down, up and down. Right now my weight is down because like I did been stressing. I got this set, this coral set. I don't really have anything to match this. Like I need new slippers. They just got appropriate for a kid's party. Move on here. So I'm gonna be back when everyone in around. I really have my stuff in my bag downstairs in the car. I really have to tell myself I just need to change my clothes, and I'm gonna put on shorts because I don't want my brother look out the window and see me moving out like this because you know. So I'm gonna come up with better quality when I'm downstairs in the car.
Times he may sin it. Fear got pants on, fear me. Pull up in the old school to fit me in the rear end. Body, I got it the worst. I had to rehearse it.
Yeah, I get real shaky when I see the blues and whites. Blues and whites and these, real shaky. This my hair dried up. It's not really getting dirty, but it's getting tall. Say that we will arrive at 12:09. And I woke up at 8 o'clock. When I reach, I'm about to take off my shorts. I have my shorts. No, I have respect. Well, this is from Shein, y'all. Your front is out, okay?
What? Bro.
What I was gonna wear, but I already wore this. You like that?
I don't like that because you wore it with it.
Okay.
No worries. Be like Aaliyah J.
I am. Like, arrived. While we just reached, like, probably like 2 minutes away, they want to have troopers stop at every single car. Stop at every single car. Good thing I'm dressed the way how I'm dressed. Baby, I'm going to the water park. I have to be so bad, y'all. Like, so bad. Why y'all? So the camera quality is because I left my camera in the house. The last clip I was saying that I feel like I was just, every clip was just me in the car, and I'm gonna get better with that. But I just wanted to finish the vlog today. Me, mommy, and we're gonna go see Barbie because as a Barb, and Nicki's song better be in it. I'm gonna go see Barbie. I'm dragging him to see Barbie, and we're going out to eat. We're gonna go try this new spot because one thing about my boyfriend, like, he always be wanting to try new spots, and like I never really went out to eat. Like, I just used to go out and like party, but I never really went out to eat, and I like to eat. So we're going to this spot. It's downtown. It's called K-pop something like where you dip the food in the pot. So I'm really excited about that. I have this plain romper on. I got this shit from Rainbows. So I'm gonna be back when we arrive, y'all. This the outfit. Yeah. We're gonna go see Barbie today. Are you excited? Not yes. Are you under hostage? Not the camera. Under hostage? Okay. Nice to know.
So we here.
Barbie was cute. I enjoyed it. Thank you, my love. So we got to get food, and we will report back. Let's get some drinks. I don't think we want a pina colada. I don't think we want a lychee soda. Okay, guys. So I'm gonna close out this vlog. I don't know when I'm gonna vlog again, but I'm gonna try. I had the Primark set on. So I went to Splish Splash, enjoyed Splish Splash, loved up Splish Splash. That's one thing about me. I love water parks. I love water. I love pools. Do not take me to no ocean. Thank you very much. The Barbie movie was good because I am a Barb, so I did enjoy the Barbie movie. I really feel like it was more for like feminists, like feminist. I don't know. But I love the Barbie movie. I ain't cry. I thought I was gonna cry because everybody like, oh, you're gonna cry. I don't got no mommy issues. Love my mother. Big up to my mother. K-pop was closed. We went to another restaurant. Not good. They have hookah, but they didn't have hookah serving at that hour because we went there late. The food was good. Mojitos was good. I love me a lychee, whatever. That shit was delicious. K-pop, I do not suggest. I don't see the hype in K-pop. I would low-key go back and just get the noodles because I got like noodles and rice. I got like mad stuff. I would low-key go back. The soup was more like gingery. Like I didn't really like that, but it was spicy. Me and my man, we ain't care for it, so I know we're not going back. But anyways, y'all, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Big up yourself, right? True. Until next time, bye.